You followed every tutorial and still made $0. Here's why. I've made a lot of tutorials on this channel. Keyword research, niche selection, site structure, how to build the thing. As far as I know, they're currently up to date, they're accurate, and I still stand behind all of them today. But I've watched an enormous amount of people follow the tutorials, do everything right, in the right order, and end up with nothing, zero. And I've heard of people spending months, years, countless tutorials, maybe even thousands of dollars in courses, and still nothing. For a long time, I thought it was a discipline problem. People got lazy, people quit. That's not it. There's a specific structural reason why correct information produces no results. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. There are 4 of them actually, and the 4th one is the reason most people never figure this out on their own. So the first point I want to make is that every tutorial teaches a procedure. Here's how to do keyword research. Here's how to structure a post. What no tutorial can do is tell you whether your answer was any good. It can show you the method, but it can't evaluate your output. That evaluation layer, judgment, is where results actually live. An analogy would be that a video can teach you how to read an X-ray, but it cannot interpret the X-ray you're holding right in front of you and whether it shows a problem. That's the whole entire job. That's what people actually get paid to do. So what ends up happening is that people finish a tutorial having genuinely learned the procedure, but they're no closer to a good outcome because the procedure was never the constraint. So the first big reason why you followed tutorials and have no results is because you executed correctly on the wrong thing. So I have a graphic that I've created here on the screen, and it goes from niche to keyword research to your content to your links to revenue and affiliate sales, essentially, which everyone's trying to get to. But the brutal truth about affiliate marketing, whether you have a website or a YouTube channel, is that errors that you make early on in this stream completely invalidate every step afterwards. So for example, if you get your niche wrong, you don't niche down correctly, you choose the wrong niche for you, it doesn't matter if you have perfect keyword research, perfect content, you're still not going to get any results. And the cruel part is that the better your execution is, the longer it takes to realize that the problem is actually upstream. It's one of these earlier steps that you missed. So a real example working hands-on with clients who were struggling is that they actually had all of these things correct apart from one step, which was the keyword research. So they actually chose the right niche and they were making good content and they had their affiliate links in the right place. But because their keyword research was wrong, their entire trajectory was off the path. Now, a second example can be something as little as the blog post titles in your content. That can actually completely invalidate all of the good things you've done and prevent you from actually getting seen on the Google search results and rankings, which means people are not going to be seeing your affiliate links. Thus, they're not going to be clicking and making purchases, and you're not going to make any money. I have seen people who have strong work ethics and are grinding and working so hard, but they have nothing to show for it because the truth is they did really good work on a decision that was made wrong before the work even started. Essentially, they couldn't hard work their way out of their situation because they were missing a critical piece of this stream that I'm sharing right now. So moving on to the second biggest reason you have no results is simply there's no feedback loop, or you're flying with no instruments. So with most skills, you get feedback in minutes. One example I can give you is golf. That's one of my hobbies. And without someone to actually watch your swing, like a swing coach, then you're not getting the feedback you need to quickly correct your form and what you're doing wrong. Now, it's different with affiliate content where the feedback can be delayed for months. So you publish something today and nothing tells you whether it's good for months or ever. The consequence is that you can't learn from experience because experience isn't reporting anything back to you. 20 articles built on a flawed assumption look identical to 20 good ones for half a year until you realize that there's no results. Most people just never receive the critical information of what they're doing wrong. So again, I've seen people work very hard and be disciplined, but because they were flying with no instruments, they didn't know they were off course until 6 months after the fact. Real quick, if that's where you're at right now, you have a live website or YouTube channel, you have content published, nothing's happening and you can't tell what's wrong, do me a favor and either comment below or send an email to support@odiproductions.com. I'm picking a handful of websites/YouTube channels to audit on camera in a few weeks, and I can tell you exactly what you're doing wrong. Now, a second option, if you'd rather not wait and you want your feedback to be private, one-on-one with me, I'm gonna have the school community link below where you will get a one-on-one personalized roadmap call along with the ability to ask questions and get feedback on your specific website or YouTube channel. We also do monthly live streams going over some of our members' businesses and websites. So if you're interested in that, link is in description. This is one of the few only ways to get real qualified feedback from people who are actually doing affiliate marketing, who are actually making real money, not just your friends and family telling you that your site, your YouTube channel looks good when they know nothing about what they're talking about. Now, reason number 3 is one that I think almost nobody talks about, and it's partly my fault. So the third reason why you have no results is that tutorials by design are really just survivorship. They're not systems that are guaranteed to work for you. They're basically just an example of what worked for one person in one niche, in one competition level, in one certain year. The parts that made it work weren't in the video because the person making it didn't know which parts those really were. Because what's true of every tutorial in this space, including the good ones, is it really is just one example that is basically a very specific case study for what worked for one specific person. Basically, the context is completely removed. And with so many things changing, including AI, tutorial videos are simply not complete systems. What you're watching is a description of someone else's outcome, and the parts that made it work weren't actually in the video because the person making it didn't even know what those parts were. Now, the fourth reason why you still have no results is the completion illusion. Tutorials are built to be finishable, so finishing feels like progress and the brain treats it accordingly. And on a smaller scale, this is why watching tutorials and listening to podcasts feels productive, feels like because you're learning something, you're actually making progress when in reality you're not. And I see a lot of beginners approach affiliate marketing in this way of a checklist format where they think that the checklist being finished of choosing a niche, doing your keyword research, building your site, publishing 30 articles, and trying to get backlinks, like checking all these boxes is going to guarantee their results. But the truth is, this is only evidence that you can follow instructions. It's not evidence that you're making true progress. So with those 4 major reasons for why you've watched all these tutorials and you're still at $0 are out of the way, let's talk about what actually fixes it. So the first solution is having proper judgment on the upstream decision. So when I reference that slide going from niche to keyword research, to your content, to your links, to sales, you need to either develop the sense or the wisdom that what you're doing wrong at each step and being able to evaluate that, or you need to borrow that from someone like a coach or a mentor who's been doing this for a very long time, who's seen thousands of cases and knows exactly what you're doing wrong at each step of the way. There's no other option. There's no shortcut or tutorial here that replaces experience and telling you whether your answer is good enough or not. So the second solution is a feedback loop that is faster than 6 months. If it took you 6 months to realize you were doing something wrong or you were off track, then it's going to be such a long journey to just get where you need to be. In short, if there's someone who can look at your keyword research list and just tell you that this isn't viable, it's not going to work, you're going up against too high of domain authority. If you could learn that lesson now as opposed to 6 months from now or next year, you're going to be that further ahead. And the third solution is having structure that survives having no feedback. So going back to point number 2, if you're able to just continue working and stay on track, consistent, disciplined, long past the motivation that runs out in months 1, 2, and 3, then that is an essential ingredient to getting success, because this is a long-term business even if you have coaching and mentorship, it's still going to take you at least 1 year to see traction and progress. So you can build all three of these solutions for yourself. It's a lot slower, and it usually costs you a lot of failures, a lot of failed websites and YouTube channels to get to that point and learn these lessons the hard way. Now, I'm going to share 3 options for an easier path to doing it the hard way all by yourself. So the first thing is I do have a free training. It's the first link in the description. You can learn all about the steps and an introduction to the affiliate operating system. It's completely free. You just have to sign up. Again, I'm actually doing free website and YouTube channel audits. So if you want to share that, and if you want to comment below or send an email, I'm picking 5 people to audit on camera for one of my next videos. Second option, to get the feedback that the tutorials won't give you on a much faster time frame than 6 months, we do have a community where we do monthly live streams. We can go through members' sites for feedback, including yours. Plus, you can get a complimentary one-on-one call with me and my team, build a personalized roadmap, look at what you've done so far, and give you a plan for the next 90 days. Feedback is absolutely crucial to succeeding in this business. So if that's the fix you're looking for, that's $97 a month. And option number 3, if you've been at this for a while and you just rather have me and my team just make the decisions, build the thing, there's an application link below. It's a 4-figure investment. It's not for everyone. And I'd start with the free training if you're on the fence. All right, catch you on the next one.